Well, good morning, dear students. Hope you are enjoying the unlock phase 1, which has started 2 days back. Yes, we are going through our lecture, our lesson, cell structure and functions. And we have tried to understand the introductory part. Why we call it a cell, who discovered cell theory, structure and all that, we have tried to cover in the first lesson. Okay, let's repeat hurriedly. Jaldi hum kya hai isko? Who was the man who has first seen the cells, in fact the dead cells in the peel of a pot? It was Robert Hooke in 1665. Later in 1838 and 1839, Schwann and Schleiden. Okay, Schleiden and Schwann. In the palace, Schleiden, then Schwann. Okay, then from that discovery, a cell theory came into existence. What is a cell theory? That cell is the basic function and structural unit of life. कहने का मतलब क्या है, जितने भी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स हैं, ये भले उनका शेप साइज डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द फंक्शन डिफर करता है, बट बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर एंड फंक्शनल यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ इज सेल. ओके, देन व्हाट इज देयर इन द सेल? व्हाट आर डिफरेंट स्ट्रक्चर्स ऑफ द ऑर्गेनेल्स प्रेजेंट इन द सेल? यानी कि अगर हम सेल को लेते हैं, व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट structures present in that, in an animal cell and in a plant cell. How it is covered? By which that liquid material is surrounded. So, cell membrane we have studied. Okay, cell membrane surrounds that protoplasm. Protoplasm means that inside jelly-like liquid including the nucleus. Otherwise, except nucleus, अगर nucleus को हम छोड़ देते हैं, the inside jelly-like liquid is known as cytoplasm. Is known as cytoplasm. दोनों को मिला के protoplasm. And what is the function of cell membrane? It allows what? Exchange of gases and exchange of that liquid materials inside and outside the cell. Okay. Then mitochondria. Yes. Mitochondria are present inside the cells. What they do? They help in the respiration. So, what is the purpose of respiration? Release of energy. Respiration means oxidation of food chemical. It is a chemical process in which the food combines with the oxygen and there is release of energy along with carbon dioxide. Okay. So mitochondria, what is its function? Its function is to release the energy. Okay. So can't we say that mitochondria are the powerhouse of the cell? Reason being, we have to take on so many functions in our body. And all these functions are undertaken by the cells. क्यों हम बोलते हैं cell theory? Cell is the basic structure and functional unit. तो function किसको perform करना है? Cell, number of cells, आगे हम पढ़ेंगे इसके next lesson में. Cells, tissue, organ, system, organism. तो कैसे वो चलता है? Single cell animals आते हैं, those who are performing all the activities by single cell, and we the multicellular animals इसी lesson में पढ़ेंगे. मल्टीसेलुलर, तो बहुत ज्यादा सेल है, मीन बिलियन ट्रिलियंस, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द साइज ऑफ द एनिमल. ओके, सो माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया, they are the powerhouse because for doing all the metabolic activities, for doing any function or any function undertaken by a living organism requires energy, and that energy is provided by the mitochondria through the process of respiration. Then these are the three structures present in case of plant cell. Cell wall made up of cellulose. It gives protection. Because yesterday we have studied in detail, plant cells are to be protected from normal wear and tear. बाहर रहते हैं, they are exposed to extreme heats, they are exposed to extreme colds, rainy season, they are exposed to rain, stormy wind, this and that. So, normal wear and tear. So, cell walls is doing that function. Then chloroplast, yes, we say in 7th we have studied self-reliance in case of plants. Autotrophs, they can produce their own food by the process of photosynthesis. How this photosynthesis takes place? Who absorbs the sunlight for the manufacturing of food by the plant? Chlorophyll. And chlorophyll is a green pigment. Chloroplast, present in the chloroplast. It is a green pigment. क्लोरोप्लास्ट किसमें होता है? केवल प्लांट सेल्स में होता है. It is not present in the animal cell. Other type of colorful plastids are also present, which provides colors to the beautiful flowers. They provide colors to the fruits. So, chloroplast. Okay. Then vacuole. Vacuole. Why vacuole is large in case of plant cells, and in many of the animals are either it is absent, or if at all it is present in very small size. Very small size. Why? Reason being, large vacuole in case of animal cell, it pushes the what? Cytoplasm towards the wall, and it gives a rigid spot, rigid shape. Okay? It gives a rigid shape and protects the cells. Solidarity आती है उसके अंदर. Okay. Then what this vacuole contains? It contains the cell sap. It contains some other soluble materials also, salts also. And in single cellular animal like amoeba, it is known as a food vacuole. Sometimes it contains waste materials also. In particular in amoeba, food vacuole, when it ruptures, food vacuole rupture, it is digested in the single cell animal amoeba. Then waste generated are also accumulated and they are thrown out of the body through the membrane, which is covering the single unicellular cell animal amoeba. So, like this. So, this up to here we have studied. Okay. Now, here I have drawn the diagram of a typical journal animal cell and a plant cell. We will find that in plant and animal cell and plant cell, there are few structures which are present, which are common in both. Nucleus is present here, nucleus is present here. Nucleolus is present, the small structure again is inside the nuclear membrane. इधर भी मैंने मार्क की है, इधर भी मैंने मार्क किया है. When we are writing these things with given by lines and arrows and all, that is called labeling. Labeling of the diagram. As and when there is a question in the exam to draw a diagram, it is always written, draw a diagram of animal cell, plant cell, i.e. digestive system, excretory system, circulatory system, and label it. Label it means you have to give names of all the different organelles present in case of cells or the different parts of a system. जैसे digestive system है, starting from the mouth, buccal cavity, esophagus, stomach, then small intestine, large intestine, colon, rectum and anus, like this. So, likewise, labeling, when we are writing by putting arrows, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Labeling. So, there are certain things which are common. Nucleus, chromatin material which makes the chromosomes, इसका भी हम function पढ़ेंगे. Presence of mitochondria. Vacuole. Animal cell, vacuoles are either absent. In case they are present, they are very small in size. Very small in size. Okay, then the cytoplasm is here also in case of plant cell. But In addition to these, mitochondria, cytoplasm, nucleus, chromatin material, nucleolus, and the nuclear membrane or the cell membrane. Additional things, structure present in case of a plant cell are what? What are these? Green I have given chloroplast. Green pigment known as chlorophyll. It is present in case of what? Where? Plant cell only. So, large vacuole having cell sap in it. It may contain waste also depending upon cell to cell, animal to animal. Okay. So, these green chloroplasts, what they contain? They contain chlorophyll. Likewise, other plastids which gives colors to the petals of a flower or which gives color to the fruits of a plant are also present in case of plant cell only, not otherwise. Now, okay, let us see a bit what are the different functions of these structures present in case of animal cell and these structures present in case of cell wall, chloroplast and large vacuole in case of animal cell. Slightly we will try to study. Okay. So, as regards animal cell, हमने क्या देखा? Again, cell membrane. बेटा गुम हो गया, कहीं नहीं लिखा. अच्छा, इसमें सेल वॉल लिखा है, सेल मेम्ब्रेन कहीं नहीं लिखा हमने. ओके, वी विल राइट हियर. ये अंदर वाली. ओके, यस. सो सेल मेम्ब्रेन इज present and cell membrane, it is giving a shape to this cell as well as it is holding the protoplasm. Cytoplasm plus nucleus is known as protoplasm. So that means it is giving a shape to the animal cell and it is protecting it and it is allowing what? To and fro. It allows inside and outside diffusion of gases or material. Digested foods enter inside the cell, excretory matters comes out. Gases like oxygen through the blood capillaries goes inside the cell and carbon dioxide gas along with the blood comes out of the cell through this semi-permeable member. Yesterday also I have told you. Okay, the function of nucleus, yes. Then again, nucleus is there. What is the function of nucleus? It is present in animal cell as well as in plant cell. What is the function? Function of the nucleus is to control all the activities of the cell, like cell growth, cell division, etc. कहने का मतलब क्या है? मैंने कल भी आपको बताया था, nucleus is the brain or the controlling body of the cell. And when we say cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life, basic unit of life, that means these cells are performing different functions depending upon in which different organs they are present. So they are undertaking. तो कहने का मतलब क्या है? If they are excretory cells, they will perform the function of excretion. If they are reproductive cells, they will perform the function of reproduction. And who is going to control them? Nucleus. And inside the nucleus, there is a chromatin material which is common in both. Chromatin, which contains chromatin makes chromosome and number of chromosomes are in pairs. Number of chromosomes are in pair. Next chapter में हम डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे. And these chromosomes contains, they have genes, G-E-N-E-S, genes over them. And through these genes, inheritance of character. Yesterday also we have studied a bit. कि माँ बाप के कैरेक्टर, दादा दादी के कैरेक्टर, नाना नानी के कैरेक्टर्स, जो फीचर्स हैं आपके, कलर ऑफ योर आईज है, your style of hair and all that, your height, should own color, whether you are fair, wheatish or somewhat श्याम वरण जिसको बोलते हैं, श्री कृष्ण जी वाला रंग, like me. Okay, so all these are through genes. Genes are the carrier of character. So what is the function of nucleus? 2-3 functions हो गए क्या? First, controlling the function, all the activities of the cell. Then transfer of what? Characters from the parents to the young ones. Okay. Then comes these mitochondria. We have studied in detail. Function of mitochondria is release of energy by the process of what? Respiration. दोनों में है ये. Okay. So function of vacuole. Function of vacuole in the animal cell is to hold air, water and particles of food. Most of the animal cells do not have vacuoles. I have already told you. Okay. Then coming to the plant cell. A typical plant cell. All these nucleus containing chromatin material, nucleolus, having nuclear membrane, it is present in plant cell also. Cell membrane, which is giving a definite shape, it is present inside only. Cell membrane, it is present in plant cell also. Vacuoles, yes, here the vacuoles are small, having large vacuole. Nucleus, cytoplasm, then mitochondria, nucleolus, nuclear membrane, chromatin material. All these are same as present in the animal cell and their function is also the same. In addition to that, what is there? The cell wall. And what is the function of cell wall? What is the function of cell wall? It protects the plant cells, gives it a fixed shape and makes it rigid, strong. एक तो क्या है? Large vacuole की वजह से cytoplasm is pushed toward the wall. So, with the help of cell wall, it is given a particular rigid shape. Okay? That is the function of cell wall. And this cell wall is made up of cellulose material. Then, addition to the cell wall, chloroplast. क्या present है बच्चों? Chloroplast. The chloroplasts make food in green plants by the process of photosynthesis, having the green pigment known as the chlorophyll. Okay. Then vacuoles. Vacuoles in case of plant cells are large, and in case of animal cells, either they are absent or they are very small in size. So, if we try to compare what are the similarities and differences between the animal cell and plant cells, similarities means nuclear membrane or cell membrane, inner wall present in both, cytoplasm present in both, mitochondria present in both, chromatin material present in both, nucleus having nuclear membrane present in both, nucleolus present in both. That means these are the similarities between a animal cell and a plant cell. So if it is asked what are the main differences between an animal cell and a plant cell, cell wall absent, cell wall present. Presence of chloroplast and other plastid present in plant cell, absent in animal cell. Then presence of large vacuole. It is a must. Plant cell के अंदर presence of large vacuole is always there. Either it is absent or in case it is present, they are very small in size. So these are the differences and what? Similarities between the what? Animal and a plant cells. Now, if we want to observe, if we had been in a school lab, we could have tried to see it. How? With the help of this microscope. We can have slide and we can have peel of onion and your cheeks peel. I will tell you what is onion peel and cheek peel. Yes, by putting that peels, putting a drop of water, in case of onion, putting a slight one drop of that dilute iodine, and in case of cheek cell, if we put a drop of methylene blue and all that, what they are going to do? Iodine, what is going to do? That dilute solution of iodine and that methylene blue, they are going to stay in the inside structure, what is present inside the animal and the plant cell, so that things are visible easily. हमें आराम से देखने को मिल जाती है. आपने बच्चों पील ऑफ ऑनियन क्या है बच्चों? आपने देखा होगा कई बार आप प्याज काटते हो, मम्मा बोल देती है सैलेड के लिए प्याज काटना बेटे. जब हम उसकी परतें, यानी कहना मतलब कि ऊपर से परत उतारते हैं, तो एक बार बीच में एक हल्की सी पतली सी एक वो मेम्ब्रेन सी, बिल्कुल एक झिल्ली सी उतरती है, विच इज ऑलमोस्ट ट्रांसपेरेंट एज लाइक योर क्या कहते हैं बटर पेपर. दैट इज पील ऑफ onion. So if you put it in the slide, उसको रख के put a drop of water and then a drop of dilute iodine solution. You can cover it with the again slide cover also. What is slide cover? Again a piece of 1 inch by 1 inch, बहुत thin piece of glass होता है. इसके ऊपर अगर आप रख देंगे तो हिले जुलेगा नहीं. And now you can keep the slide here. Okay, इसके clippers होते हैं. By making it up or down, you can adjust by watching through, going to see and this lens and all that. When it is clearly visible, by adjusting the sunlight and all that, you can see the inside of a peeling of a onion and cheek. गाले, आपकी गाल. अब क्या है बच्चों, आपने देखा होगा सर्दियों में कई बार क्या होता है आपके लिप्स के ऊपर भी पपड़ी सी उतरती है, स्मॉल स्किन उतरती है. अगर आप चाहो विद टूथपिक हल्का सा बच्चों क्या है, हल्का सा आप स्क्रैच करेंगे ना तो व्हाइट सी मेम्ब्रेन से बिल्कुल हल्की पतली एक झिल्ली सी उतरेगी. यू कैन स्प्रेड इट ओवर द स्लाइड अगेन, मेक इट मॉइस्ट विद वाटर, देन ऐड ए ड्रॉप ऑफ व्हाट मिथाइलिन ब्लू. इट विल स्टे इन दिस चीक peel and again you can see under the microscope and observe. ठीक है, I think we can rub it off. There is no need, we have already revised and it may help us for studying something else. Okay, चलिए. So by watching the peel of onion or a peel of cheek cell under the microscope, you can study the different structure or additional structure present in case of plant cell and structures present in case of animal and plant cell. Animal and plant cell. और जब वो आप ऑनियन की पील करेंगे, ऑनियन के अंदर बच्चों ऑनियन पील, लार्ज वैक्यूल यू विल फाइंड लाइक दिस. और आपको ऐसा लगेगा जैसे वो क्या है, यानी कि पेंटागन, हेक्सागन शेप्स ऑफ cells are there and all that. Fixed shape, and if you are having in a high power microscope, even cell wall is also clearly visible. So now coming to this animal cell, plant cell we have studied. Now coming to what? Life has not started straightway. क्या हुआ कि एक दिन भगवान जी बैठे थे, उन्होंने क्या किया, घिया, कद्दू, तोरी, कहने का मतलब सब तरह की वेजिटेबल्स बना दी, सब तरह के फ्रूट्स बना दिए और सब तरह के एनिमल बना दिए. नॉट लाइक दैट. लाइफ हैज नॉट कम इनटू एग्जिस्टेंस सो इजिली. मिलियंस ऑफ ईयर इट हैज टेकन. सहस्त्र वर्ष जिसको बोलते हैं, लाखों साल लगे हैं. Life started from a single cell animal, or you can say the unicellular animal and the multicellular multicellular animals. ठीक है? So unicellular single cell animal. कहने का मतलब क्या है? Life which came into existence on the earth that was very primitive life. Primitive मतलब starting वाली life. And structures of those primitive cells was different from the structure of present multicellular animals or unicellular animals. That means there were prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. What is meant by prokaryotic? Pro means primitive and karyo means nucleus. That means those cells which were having nucleus in the primitive states. The nucleus in case of prokaryotic animals, it was not well organized. It was not having a definite nuclear membrane. As like in case of bacteria, blue-green algae, bacteria. Suppose this is the shape. बाकी सब कुछ यहां है. ये क्या है? न्यूक्लियस. That means nucleus here is not well defined. It is not enclosed by a nuclear membrane. ये न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन नहीं है. ऐसा लगता है जैसे क्रोमेटिन मटेरियल या एक डार्क सा स्पॉट है उस सेल के अंदर. So primitive nucleus not well organized, no nuclear membrane. So the cells which are having a nucleus which is not organized, they are known as prokaryotic cells. And an example, the bacteria and blue-green algae. I might have written somewhere. Yes, bacteria and blue-green algae. And the first animal or organism which came into existence as a eukaryotic cell, amoeba, paramecium, chlamydia, all that, single cell organisms. Suppose if you take the diagram of a nucleus. Like this, nucleus of our a typical animal, journal animal cell or a journal plant. Amoeba. It is having a well-defined nucleus. So eukaryotic cell, well-organized nucleus. First and the foremost example was amoeba. It was the amoeba. So the animals or the organisms which are having prokaryotic cell are known as prokaryotes, and the animals or the organisms which are having eukaryotic cell are known as eukaryotes. So what are prokaryotes and eukaryotes? Prokaryotes, living organisms which are having not a well organized nucleus in them. So eukaryotes, the animals or the living organism which are having a well defined or a well organized nucleus in their cells. Prokaryotes mein their nucleus is not having a well organized nucleus. That means absence of nuclear membrane. ये जो blue मैंने दिखा रखी है ये वाली. So prokaryotic and eukaryotic animals जिसको हम बोलते हैं and karyotic and eukaryotic cells. Okay. Then again I'm coming to the last chapter. What? उसमें हमने क्या पढ़ा था? क्या पढ़ा था? हाँ? Biodiversity. Biodiversity means presence of different kind of plants and animals performing different kinds of functions. There is a large variety of plants and animals which differ not only in their functions, shape and size, shape, function, that all together these are different. So, large variety. There is a difference in the what? Shape, size and what? Functions. No, अब क्या है बच्चों? When difference in shape, size, अब क्या है बच्चों? Size means if an organism is not visible with naked eye, how many number of cells it has? It will be having a few number of cells only. But an animal like you and me, we are also animal, social animal. Animal like you and me, cow, buffalo, horse, tiger, leopard, any animal, big animal, elephant. Trillions of cells. Trillions of cells. That means, depending upon the animal, its shape, its size, and functions also, there is a large variety of cells also. जैसे plants and animals differ in their shape, size, and this thing, that is how there is a difference in the what? Number of cells, size of the cells, and shape of the cells, and shapes of the cells. Okay? साइज भी है, छोटा होगा, बड़ा भी होगा. अब क्या है बच्चों? बैक्टीरिया बहुत छोटे छोटे हैं. एंड द एग ऑफ ए ऑस्ट्रिच, इट इज आल्सो ए सिंगल सेल. कभी देखा आपने शुतुरमुर्ग का अंडा? देखा है?